So this video is about legendary marketer. Like most of these guys started with nothing, broke, not knowing too much, and then through time, kind of like everyone realizes it's not about me, it's not about you. Once we learn the skills, once we make the money, we naturally want to help others. If I can do it, you can do it. So this is what Dave Sharp's all about. The link in the description of this takes you to his email marketing course, which I have, which I use. So that the money's in the list. It's one of the key ingredients. If you need a steering wheel or an engine for a car, you need email marketing. You need to know to build your list. So, but this is an overall program as well. There's so much to it, but the part of his business is in the description, which is the email course, and then it takes you to other things. And we also have our own version as well, which is really special too, so you must check it out. So we'll just get right into it. It's a short video, and then that'll be it, and we'll see you out there.
Hey there, my friend. My name is Dave Sharp. I'm the CEO of Legendary Marketer, and in this video, I want to give you a very transparent and authentic and organic, non-scripted overview of who we are, what we have, and how it can possibly help you in your journey to building an online business. Now, we teach 4 specific business models, and those are the ways in which you can sell information online. We call them the core 4. It's courses, coaching, events, and doing affiliate marketing. There's 4 ways, and 4 really only ways that you can sell information online, and those are the 4 ways that I just listed. If you're new, you may start out with affiliate marketing. And so we've created a 15-day online business builder challenge. We sell that course for $7, and over 15 days, we're going to give you 15 lessons that take you through the process of understanding what the options are out there online in terms of what you can promote, what kind of business you can build, some of the things that we've tried, some of the things that we like better, and we give you the reasons why in specific detail, as well as introducing you to a few low to no cost tools that you can use in your journey to help get you set up and really help you to implement and launch, to go from learning to launching your own online business, specifically selling information in the e-learning industry. Now, if you go through that 15-day challenge and you decide this is for me, this is something that I really want to pursue, halfway through that challenge, we will introduce you to our Blueprints program. And this is our more advanced curriculum where we take you more by the hand, step by step, and take you through both the philosophy of how the business models actually work, as well as the implementation. Plus, we give you additional coaching and workshops on an ongoing basis. Plus, we will update that curriculum in those courses for free whenever there's updates to the business models or the marketing strategies on any of the various platforms that you may be marketing on. For example, Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. Last but not least, if you want to take all of this learning experience and you want to have an in-person event where you come and meet me, some of our other coaches, trainers, some of our top students, you can attend a mastermind, and you can get information about that as well as you're going through the challenge or by clicking around here on our website. We hold those masterminds everywhere from Orlando to various places around the country, and you can come learn in person for 3 days, live, up close, and personal, including interactions with me and all of the people I just mentioned, as well as the ability to be able to get your question answered in a live environment in the actual event, as well as mingling and networking and the ability to just have conversations and actually mastermind the next best version of your business so you can determine what to avoid and what to double down on. What we encourage you and invite you to do is to start with our 15-day challenge. We price this at a reasonable price, roughly the price of a Starbucks coffee these days. So you can dip your toe, essentially, and begin to learn some of the principles, some of the concepts, get introduced to some of the tools. And then we give you an introductory offer where you can actually get all 4 of the business blueprints for the price of one as you're going through the challenge for a limited time offer. Plus, we throw in additional bonuses. So if you're serious about it, you have an opportunity to be able to get everything you need. And our goal is that you shouldn't need any more curriculum, education, coaching, training in order to get to those first large milestones of building your information empire. And that really may mean empire for you.
So you get the gist of it. You can watch the whole video if you want to. So it has quite a lot of products, but as I say, ours takes you to the email marketing section of it. But then through there you can see what else is on offer. And then please do join our free community, our free boot camp, and both businesses are similar. So please take a look at them both, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.